Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see the life mathematics and we shall recall the percentage sums in exercise 4.1. Okay. Fill in the blanks. If 30% of x is 150, then x is dash. So 30% of x means into x is equal to 150 they are given. You have to find the value of x here. So 30% means we can write this as 30 by 100, isn't it? Into x is equal to 150. Okay. So we can write this as x is equal to, bring this 30 by 100 this side means 150 into, we are writing reciprocal 100 by 30 is equal to, you cancel 0 and 3 1 times and 5 3s are 15. So 50. 50 into 10 is equal to 500. So answer x is equal to 500. The next one, 2 minutes is dash percent of an hour. Solution, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, we know, isn't it? So 2 minutes is equal to, you have to change this to hour. Okay, 2 by 60 hour. Okay. So 2 minutes is dash percent of an hour. So you have to find the percentage, how much percentage 2 minutes. That is 2 by 60 into 100 is equal to x percentage. That we don't know how much percentage, isn't it? So x is equal to, x percent is equal to, you cancel 60, here is 60, no, 0. Then 1 times, here 3 times. So 1 by 3 into 10. That is equal to 10 by 3. In mixed fraction, 3 3s are 9, remaining 1, then 3 by 3 percentage. So it is 33 1 by 3 percentage. Have you understood? Okay. And next, if x percent of x is equal to 25, then x is equal to dash. X percent of x is equal to 25. Yes. So x percent means you can write this as x by 100 into x is equal to 25. Okay. Here we can write this x into x is x square is equal to, you bring this 100 that side means it will come to the numerator, 25 into 100. Okay. So x square is equal to, x square is equal to 2500. Then square goes to that side means root. So root 2500. X is equal to. Okay. Now x is equal to, we can write this as 50 into 50 within root. So 50 square root, isn't it? Now we can cancel root and square. So x is equal to 50. So x percent of x is equal to 25, then x is equal to 50. Fourth problem. In a school of 1400 students, there are 420 girls. The percentage of boys in the school is dash. Total number of students in school is 1400. Then how much girls are there? 420 girls, isn't it? So you have to subtract from this 1400. 0, then you borrow 1, 10 minus 2 is 8, 13 minus 4 is 9. So 980 boys are here. Okay. Now you have to say the percentage of boys in the school. So For how much 980 boys? 1400 students, 980 boys. So 980 by 1400 into 100. Now we can cancel 1 0, 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0. Okay. Then 98 by 14 into 10. Okay, 98 is 7 times. 14 sevens are 98. So 1 times, here 7 times. So the answer is 70%. The answer is 70%. So percentage of boys is equal to 70%. The next one, 0.5252 is dash quotient. So simply you multiply by 100, then you will get the percentage. Okay. 5252 into 100, then it will come as 5252. 0.5252 into 100 means 0, 0. This point comes to here. After 1, 2, 3, 4 digit, no. So 1, 2, 3, 4 digit. This point comes to here. So 52.52 percentage. Example 4.4. If the price of Orid doll after 20% increase is rupees 96 per kg, then find the original price of Orid doll per kg. Okay. First solution, price of Orid doll after 20%. Price of Orid doll we don't know, so we can take that as x. After 20% increase, we can write this as 20 by 100 into x. In this x, the increase of 20%. Okay. So you have to write the LCM for this. Here plus no, so into 100 into 100. So 100x, you can write one more step here. 100x plus 20x by 100. Okay. That is 120x by 100. So the price of Orid doll after 20% increase is 120 by 100x. Okay. After 20% increase, the cost is rupees 96. So 120 by 100x is equal to 96. So you keep x here and bring that 120 by 100 that side, means the reciprocal of 120 by 100 is 100 by 120. Okay, now you cancel the zeros. Now 12 ones are 12, 12 eights are 96. Okay, is equal to 8 into 10 is 80. So x is equal to 80. That is answer. The original price is equal to of Orid doll. You write Orid doll is equal to rupees 80 per kg. 80 per kg. Original price of Orid doll per kg is equal to rupees 80. Then 7th problem. A number when increased by 18% gives 236. Find the number. Solution. Let the number be x. Okay, we shall take the number be x. The number increased by 18% is 236. Okay, so the number x plus 18 by 100x is increased. Okay, from x 18 by 100 increased. So x plus 18 by 100x is equal to 236. We have to see LCM for these two denominators. Okay, now we have to multiply the denominator by 100 and also numerator by 100. So 100x plus 18 by 100, that is 118 by 100 into x is equal to 236. Now keep x here and bring that side. And it will come to the reciprocal. So 236 into 100 by 118. Okay. You can cancel 118 one times. Then 2 times 236. 8 2s are 16. Remainder 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Again 2 plus 1. So it's equal to 200. So answer, the number is equal to 200. Example 4.5. The income of a person is increased by 10% and then decreased by 10%. Find the change in his income. Solution. Income of a person is rupees X. Income after 10% increase is equal to X plus 10 by 100 X. Now here you have to see LCM. 1 into 100, here also into 100. So 100x plus 10 is 10x is 110x by 100. Both the denominators are same, so we are taking 110. Income decrease 10% is equal to 11 by 10 into 10 by 100. Now you cancel 10 and 10. Then 11 by 100x. Okay. So now 11 by 10 x minus 11 by 100x. From 11 by 10x you have to subtract 11 by 100x. Here 11 by 10 means you cancel this two. Okay. From this you are subtracting this. Then you will get, you have to multiply by 10 both. Then it will come 110x minus 11x by 100. That is 99 by 100x. So income minus decrease is equal to, income we know, that is x, minus decrease is 99x. Okay. Then you have to see the LCM here. So divided by 1. So it is 100, 100. So 100 minus 99, 100 minus 99x by 100 is equal to x by 100. So 1, it is 1 no. So it is x by 100. So percentage change. What is the change in percentage? X by 100 divided by x into 100. So x by 100 into, you have to write the x in reciprocal. So 1 by x into 100. So here 100, 100 gets cancelled. Then x gets cancelled. 1 is the answer. So change in his income is 1%. This is the answer. Then 9th problem. A number is increased by 25% and then decreased by 20%. Find the percentage change in that number. So the number be x. First income increased is equal to 25%, isn't it? So x plus 25 by 100x is equal to, you have to see LCM now here, 1 times into 100 into 100. So it will come as 125 by 100x. Now you can cancel. 25 4s are 100, 25 5s are 125. Okay. So here 5 by 4x. Then second, decrease is equal to 20%. 5 by 4x into 20 by 100. Okay. 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 and 5 2s are 10. Isn't it? Okay. Then 5 and 5 gets cancelled. Remaining is 1 by 4x. Now 5 by 4x minus x by 4 is equal to, both the denominators are same. So you can write as 5x minus x is equal to 4x by 4. Then 4 4 gets cancelled. So is equal to x. So answer, percentage change is equal to 0%. No change in the percentage. So no change. And 10th problem. The ratio of boys and girls in a class is 5:3. If 16% of boys and 8% of girls failed in an examination, then find the percentage of passed students. Okay, number of boys we shall take as x, number of girls we shall take as y. So their ratio is 5:3. So first we shall failure of boys is 16%. They asked percentage of passed students. So you calculate per pass percentage. So from 100 percentage we are subtracting 16. Then 84% is pass. The boys pass list is 84%. Then failure of girls they are given is 8%. So pass percent is equal to 100 minus 8 is equal to 92%. We shall take this as percentage. 100% minus 8%. Okay. Then now x by y is equal to 5 by 3. That is total ratio is 5 plus 3 8. So boys is 5 by 8. Out of 8, 5 of them are boys. Then girls, out of 8, 3 of them are girls. So girls is 3 by 8 and boys is 5 by 8. Then total pass percent is equal to 84% of boys plus 92% of girls. Boys is 5 by 8. Then girls is 3 by 8. So 84% means 84 by 100 into 5 by 8 plus 92 by 100 into 3 by 8 into 100. You have to see the percentage, no? The whole into 100. Now we shall cancel. Okay. By 4 table. This is 2 times. Here also 2 times, 1 times. Okay. Then here 5 ones are 5. Here 20 5s are 100. So 21 by 40 here. 4 2s are 8 and here 4 2s are 8, remainder 1 12, 4 3s are 12. Okay. 23 into 3 is 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Okay. So 100 into 2s are 200. Now you multiply this by 5 table. 5 4s are 20, isn't it? So 5. Then this denominator also comes 200. So 21 5s are 105 plus 69 divided by 200 into 100. Okay. Now you add these two. 9 plus 5 is 14, remainder 1. Then 6 plus 1 is 7, then 1. 174 by 2. Now you cancel 1 times. This is 8 2s are 16, remainder 1, 7 2s are 14. So totally pass percentage is 87%. Is the answer. And we shall move to the objective type questions. Okay, this is 11th sum. 12% of 250 liters is the same as dash of 150 liters. Solution. 12% of means you have to multiply 250. So 12 by 100 into 250 is equal to 30 liters. You are cancelling, no? 0 0 cancel. Then 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So 2 and 12 gets cancelled, 6. So 6 5s are 30 liters. Okay. So you have to say this 30 liters how much percentage? So out of 150 liters, 30 liters, isn't it? So 30 by 150 into 100. And 0 0 gets cancelled. Then 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Again 3 and 30 gets cancelled, 10. 10 2s are 20. So 20%. That is, answer is C option. They are given A, B, C, D. So C option is correct, 20%. 12th sum. If 3 candidates ABC in a school election got 153, 245 and 202 votes respectively, Then the percentage of votes got by the winner is. Who is the winner here? 245. Who got 245 votes? That is B. Okay. We shall write candidate 1 got 153 votes. Candidate 2 got 245 votes. Candidate 3 got 102 votes. Now add all the votes. It is 500. Okay. Candidate 2 is the winner. So percentage of winner is, he wins out of 500, he got 245 votes. So 245 divided by 500 is into 100 is equal to 49. 0 0 gets cancelled. Then 1 5 is 5. Here 4 5s are 20. Remainder 4. It is 9. It is percentage of winner is equal to 49%. Answer B, 49%. Thank you. Have a nice day.